Hey guys, so I want to show you how you can use these scales that we've got down at the team now. Literally, if you can try and do it before your workout on Monday, so before we start the September Slim Down, get yourself your initial weigh-in and your initial body fats done before the workout. I wouldn't recommend doing it after. The reason being, you're going to lose a lot of water. That's going to sit in your clothes. You're going to drink water. It's going to add onto the scale. So ideally, get down here, preferably before you've gone to the toilet and then you step on the scales. So I want to show you how to get set up. They're going to be out here for you to use, and I want to show you how to do it. So first things first, you're going to need to take off your shoes and your socks. Okay, and then what you want to do is just press the power button that's below here. It'll come on, it's quite sensitive. And then what you want to do is click on guest. Okay, so click on guest. You're going to put in your age by using the up and down arrows here. So put your age in like that. If you hold it down, it'll go faster. Put in your age on there and click set. Then choose your gender. So the upside down triangle is male. The upright triangle is female. So choose which one you use by using the arrows again. Click set, and then put in your height. So before you come down here on Monday, you need to know what your height is in centimeters. Okay, so find that out. You can convert feet and inches into centimeters online. So put in your height on there. Okay, and then click set. And then you're all good to go. It'll just confirm your age, your height, and then it'll go to 0, 0. At which point now, step onto the scales with your bare feet, hold the your index finger into the groove of the handles, and hold the handle out at 90 degrees. So hold it out in front of you, and squeeze onto the pads nice and tight. It'll weigh you, and then these bars will go across the dial as it measures your body fat percentage. Boom. So that's me weighed in. And then what you do, if you have a look closer, it'll show you your weight. Okay, click the arrow to find out click the set button to find out what your body fat percentage is. And what your visceral fat is. So all you and your BMI and all that, it'll do all that for you. But essentially the two numbers that you need to know are your weight and your body fat percentage. Now, that's all you need to do. So you need to know your height in centimeters. You need to, as I showed you just, how to enter all your info in. Step onto the scales with your bare feet, hold it out in front of you, put your fingers into the groove, squeeze on nice and tightly, and allow it to measure. Now, all we need to know is a tool to measure, and use the same tool each and every time that we do our measurements. Like lots of different kit can give you different readings, but what we want is the initial reading on this and then the next reading on this. You can do this every, like, say, 2 weeks. I wouldn't be obsessive with it every 2 weeks. They're going to be in here for you to use. So now that you know how to do that, you can use it whenever you like. And you'll want to do it before the September Slim Down, which starts this Monday. Do it before the workout, not after, because that's going to change the water, and that's going to affect the water inside your body. It's going to affect how the current flows through your body. So do it before your workout and keep that variable the same. Keep all the variables the same whenever you do a weigh-in. So have a poo beforehand. Don't wear lots and lots of clothing, or each time that you do get weighed in, wear the same clothing. So it's the same that you're being measured. Keep those variables the same. Now the body fat percentage on this is out by about 12%. Like if you want to spend like £4,000 to go and have a DEXA scan, then by all means do that, because that's going to be the most accurate way of measuring your body fat. But essentially it doesn't matter if it's 1,000 times off. All we really need is the now. Okay, regardless of what it is, the now measurement. And then when we do it again using the same device, okay, it's still going to be 12% out as it was on the first day. So then we do it again, and all we need to see is if we've lost body fat or gained body fat using the same technique and using the same, keeping the variables the same, such as the clothes that you're wearing, that you've had a poo, there's not the time of the month, and all these things that go into place. So yes, it's not the most accurate. Let's say another option that we could do are the Sculpt body fat or the calipers, and we will absolutely do that. It just takes a little bit more time, and if you do want to do that and have a bit more of an accurate reading, then reach out to me and we'll be able to hook you up with that. And but essentially all we need is to see the percentage difference from the initial reading. That's the most important thing. So hope that helps. These are going to be set up for you down at the team for you to use. And that's it. Thank you.